It's time for the Dick Jenkins Show, and I forgot to get a guest. Hey, little kid, come here. What's your name? Steve. Okay, all right. It's time for the Dick Jenkins Show tonight on Dick. It's this kid named Steve. So let's get to the show live from his mother's basement. It's the man, Dick Jenkins. Get it.
Okay. Thank you very much, Leroy Jenkins. As always, Leroy Jenkins, my half-brother from another mother, and my announcer, Leroy Jenkins.
Yeah, Dick, that's what I'm talking about, buddy.
All right, Leroy. Tonight...
Thanks for the plug.
You followed Leroy Jenkins at Leroy Jenkins on Twitter.
Get it.
There you go. Don't tell him I never gave you a bone. Our guest today, Leroy just...
You don't have Twitter.
What?
I don't have a Twitter.
Leroy just let this guy in the basement. I'm not even sure what his name is.
He's been playing in the front yard, Dick, for like 2 days. I figured I'd bring him in.
Big time celebrity, local neighborhood kid. What's your name, buddy?
It's Steve.
Hi, Steve. How are you?
It's Steve.
Hey. Well, it's summertime, Steve. You're out of school.
Yeah.
How old are you?
I'm 16.
16 years old, so and asthmatic. Summertime. No school.
It's dry out. There's dust.
It is currently 105 outside.
Damn, Dick.
That is hot.
Make your balls stick to your leg, Dick.
It's hot.
I'm currently sitting on mine, Leroy. What's hard?
I don't know what's going on, Dick, but I can sure see your nut.
It's inappropriate.
Leroy, I told you about being professional on the show. Steve is correct. Summertime, Steve. What kind of...
Steve's a virgin, that's why he's correct. Dick, I'm going to get you something to put on that microphone and keep spitting on it.
I prefer you don't put your lips on the microphone. That was the last show.
I'm sorry.
Yeah, that's...
You seen Spider-Man?
What about it?
Have you seen Spider-Man?
The past 3 movies, but the new one's not out yet.
Yes, it is.
Okay.
Came out on Friday.
Okay.
Movies always come out on Friday.
That's true. Steve, so it's summertime. Any special plans?
I'm going to see if my grandma will take me to see Batman.
Batman, big time blockbuster. The last episode, the last movie of the trilogy.
Yeah, it's over.
What's your thoughts about that, Steve?
I read the comics already, so I already know how it ends.
You kind of remind me of Bill Murray from Caddyshack.
That's a stupid movie. I like Life According to Garp. You ever seen that?
I'm sorry?
You ever seen Life According to Garp?
I'm sorry?
Is this a TV show?
Yeah, this is
Dick, I'm sorry.
Leroy, I'm going to talk to you later after the show, but yeah, we filmed.
I live next door.
This damn kid needs whooped.
I'm on medication because my dad hit me a lot.
Well, it's unfortunate. We don't need to air that
I'm going to take
here.
him down to Cherry Bomb and give him some pussy.
Leroy, come back.
I'm allergic to cats.
Leroy, if you wouldn't mind, come on over
That's
here.
the only pussy he's going to get, Dick.
Steve, if you would go with Leroy, he's going to introduce you to Waytall Ted out in the backyard. I'm sure you guys have a lot in common.
Who's Waytall Ted? Is he like comic
He's
movies?
your relative, I guarantee it.
You and Waytall Ted can go out in the backyard and play. There's some basketballs and some, I believe Leroy left some illegal fireworks out there. Please help yourself. Make sure you get nice and close to the wick when you light it.
We're going to need an adult to light the fireworks.
Okay, well, that's the show for today, folks. Special guest Steve.
Special ed.
Special ed Steve. Good boy, good boy. Comic-Con's around the corner. It'll be in September. I'll be there. We'll hope to see you there, too.
They said on the forum you weren't invited.
I'm buying a ticket and showing up. I'll see you all there at Comic-Con. Steve, Leroy's coming with me. Steve, if you want to go ahead and go out, wait till Ted's out there, have fun with him.
Go back. Licking the fence, go out back.
Leroy, that's a no. That is definitely a no. Do not ever let him back in the basement. We'll see you next week, folks. Another exciting episode of the Dick Jenkins Show.
Locking the door.
Steve, go up the stairs and through the kitchen.
It's hot outside.
Where's your inhaler out there, Steve?
It's in my pocket.
That's it? Okay, now, if you don't want to go upstairs and go make sure you play out in that hot weather, go out with Wake Call Ted and run around the yard a few times, maybe 5, 6, 7. I'll bring it up to you. Okay,
You promise?
I promise. I'll just go on up there.
Hey, but I don't have any kind of toys, man.
Leroy, if you want to lock that basement door
I'm going to shove him out, Dick.
and dispose of that,
Me and you going to hit that, Dick.
we're going to film a news show in the backyard called Watch Steve Die. We'll see you next week, folks.
Steve's dead.
Yeah, wait all day. Come on, Steve. Play with me. Yay, play with me. I'm waiting all day. Leapfrog. What do I do, Steve? Steve, come play with me.